Hello, welcome to Katy Sue. I've got Noreen in today because we're just going to have a sneaky peek at what the design team have been making for these brand new products. So come on in. We're going to give you a little closer look to what we've got coming up.
It's just so exciting to see all of these, and you know, we've had a bit of a tough winter. Now we've got the flowers, so you're going to love
Come and have a look at them.
Look at these designs.
These are the
absolutely
blooming
beautiful
box bouquets. So you're going to be able to make up
8 beautiful box bouquets. So they all come, you have everything in here that you're going to need, but we'll go through it in a minute. No scissors required. Most people love that. I don't mind cutting out, but lots of people don't like cutting, so that's fantastic. And the magic of this is that they actually fold down and go perfectly captured in an envelope. How clever is that?
It's so 3D when it's done as well, isn't it?
Absolutely beautiful. I love the colours. And of course then you can mix and match. You can bespoke some. If you know your Auntie Mary might like pink and blues, you can just do whatever it is. So it's entirely up to you. You don't have to follow any particular format. So let me just show you what you actually get in here. So we've got the blooming box bouquet, so it has all your contents. I love this as well because you get your inspiration obviously in with it. Then you get your full instructions, very easy to read. So then we'll move on. So this is your box sets that you get.
Everything's die cut for you.
It's fantastic.
No
absolutely.
cutting required, no measuring required.
That used to be me in the day.
And these are the
measuring.
Oh yeah, and these are
that's for the inside, isn't it?
So we'll show you how you do that.
Then you get all of the beautiful colourways. So obviously you're going to get 2 of each of those, all die cut.
And these make up all of your panels.
So that's those that you're going to see there.
Now this is what takes out the thinking,
the drudgery.
Yes,
it's
there's
so
no
hard.
requirement to measure anything.
No.
Or even down to your little panels.
Bars.
Everything is ready.
I love that. That wouldn't have made my life so much more easy. Then you get obviously the beautiful butterflies. Look at the amount of butterflies they're getting on there. The die cut right down to the tiniest little butterfly. So again, no scissors required. The beauty of this is that they're on both sides, coloured on both sides, so you can lift the wings up and show them off to their own beauty. Then look at these. Look at the die cutting on these. I'm going to turn this over so you can actually see every tiny little piece that you see there is exquisitely die cut. So even if you have dexterity problems, this is going to be okay for you. Then of course you need the matching envelopes, and then you get your beautiful foam pads to go with that. So absolutely fantastic set that is going to give you the ability to make as many of these as you want. So we've got 8 beautiful cards, but then you can use your own creativity in making them up. You may want to have something a little bit different. You may want to take it to a bit further,
which some of the design team have done, Noreen. So there's a couple of examples there.
Oh, look at those. This one as well I particularly like because they've used this from, where was these, Sue?
So that's from the scene stash.
The scene stash, that's
right. They've
added
some different backgrounds to it. You can be as creative as you want. This one they've added a few little florals dried.
Absolutely gorgeous. See the butterflies, they put glitter on there, they put their own little beads on. So you can make it whatever you want it to be, and whatever you think that the person you're sending it to is going to particularly love. There may be gardeners. I would love that one.
Yeah, and then this one's been shortened.
Yes.
So you can pick a different size. You can get as creative as you like.
And the whole thing about it is, if you're buying Katy Sue, you know the artwork on all of these is beautiful. And they've even used some of the peelables on the back.
Peelables
They're a great addition.
Perfect for it.
For someone like me, again, who doesn't do computerised printing out, or don't have that lovely handwriting style. Fantastic. So it makes an utterly beautiful card.
It certainly does. So that's the blooming box bouquets, and that card making kit will get you 8 blooming boxes that'll fold flat. Everything's in there, all die cut and ready for you to make. The only thing that you might need is a little bit of wet glue. So apart from that, everything's in.
Fantastic.
No scissors required.
Good to go.
Good to go.
Good to go. You can even get the children involved.
Totally,
You know, just
totally.
when there's no scissors. I love that.
So what about this one then, Noreen?
And look at the artwork on that. This, to me, it sets itself way up above any other card sets for me. It's just so innovative. The printing, the artwork on these, I particularly love this one. That's just really appeals to me. But every one of them. So you're going to be able to make 8 cards. And again, this is your card making kit. No scissors required. All you're going to need, as Sue said, is a little bit wet glue.
Yes.
Shall we go through the pack, or do you want a little bit of inspiration?
Well,
first?
here's
Look at those.
examples. You can make 8 in the
fantastic.
set, but this is sort of, you know, following the guidelines of what's in the inspiration. These are the styles that you
These
would
are
do.
the cards. If it's your birthday, you're going to show this one off, saying, "Hey, look, so and so made us this." Isn't that
I think
fantastic?
this is nice for Mother's Day.
Absolutely
Don't you?
beautiful. I think they're lovely for Mother's Day, for any kind of get well thinking of you. What that really,
Very simple
really
to put together, and
stunning.
Obviously, you can write your verses and whatnot inside, and put your message there. And then you can just, you know, it's up to you how much you want to add. If you want to
You can move it along a little bit further. So, say for instance, this one's made from the set, but then if you wanted to add a little bit glitter to it, which I love, a little bit glitter, a little bit sparkle on there, then you can do that if you want to. So the whole thing about it is you can do as much or as little as you actually want to. Look at the colourways on here. That is a beautiful, beautiful print. Absolutely stunning. I mean, even, you know, the detail on it. So you've got the whole set there.
It's that little bit of glitter makes such a difference.
It does. I love it. You know me, I do love a little bit of glitter.
In this one, it's just to show you that really you can put anything you like together, so you don't have to follow exactly the way that
Yes, and that's quite creative, because look at the way they put the spoon through the handle.
Yeah.
It just makes it that little bit different, doesn't it?
It does.
Really, really an exquisite set. And you're getting first looks at these. I mean, these have just been... You can always tell when the design team actually love it, because you get loads. This one, I particularly love.
This is taking it to another level, isn't it?
Look at that magic unfolded. So you open that out. It's on one of your arched cards, but how delightful is that? It's the artwork on it. It just time and again makes it look so incredible.
Just shows how easy you can turn them into a bigger card, doesn't it?
And this one again, oh my goodness me. Look at the beautiful colourways on here. Now, this has been die cut, the base of it. They've used some of the butterflies, the sentiment, and then the exquisite teacup. Absolutely stunning. But again, it folds up beautifully so that you can post that out without any problem of any harm coming to it.
You know,
Aren't they beautiful?
In this set of decoupage, there's some lovely bees.
They're so gorgeous. Another way, so we've got this landscape, absolutely gorgeous display. So then, yet again. So it depends what kind of crafty stash you actually have and how much you want to make a different card. It's just, oops, there we go. Now there. Little rocker, and then we've got the beautiful. Now I love this. They've added a little bit of twine.
So that's just putting it flat on a card.
Yes.
But what a great card
But again, home decor. How about that? That's lovely. If you're doing all of your spring fairs and things like that, if you're doing them for church, for your charities, for your dog trust, whatever it is, those are really saleable and a great addition. I love that. Well done, design team.
Do you want to have a little look and show people what you get inside, Noreen?
So again, we're going to get your 8 cards, and again, you've got your beautiful inspiration on the front. Then all of your technical details, all done for you. So we've got your instructions.
Couldn't be simpler, really.
No. Again, you've got your die cut, so there's lots of flowers in there, all your beautiful die cut flowers.
Anyway, look at the little bees, aren't they lovely?
They are very cute. And again, it's the detail. Now, have I said to you?
Yeah.
There, look. How easy that is just to push out. And then you've got your beautiful inspiration here. You've got your beautiful die cut. So you're getting 2 of each of these designs.
Yeah.
So you've got... I keep thinking, oh, that's my favourite. Oh, no, actually, I love that one. Oh, no, I quite like that one as well. So they're just all absolutely...
This looks sort of Japanese,
Oriental,
Chinese,
doesn't it?
Something...
Oriental.
Yeah.
I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at the artwork on there. And then this is gorgeous. This looks like your fine bone china. Really delicately hand painted, beautiful. Then of course you get your cards and you get your foam pads to go with it as well. So all in all, you've got a bundle of magic here that you're going to absolutely love.
Yeah. Fab kit, that. Just
it is.
Absolutely
I'd really
love it.
That's going to be one of my go-tos, definitely. Definitely.
So Noreen,
Yeah.
I'll just pull up this
Okay.
because some people might prefer to have, if we just think
To
about
do their own.
To do their own
Yeah.
version of the pop-up boxes. Do you want to
Yes.
show people
I
what
like this
we've
because
got for that?
once you've gained your inspiration and once you've gained a little bit of confidence, maybe you haven't done a lot of crafting, so therefore you start with that, you've got your inspiration. Then you think, actually, I can do some. I can paint those, I can colour them, I can put my own coloured card on, I can do whatever I want. Again, there's the instructions. There's all the die cut interlocking pieces. You can see that that's the insides of those where you're going to be able to put your flowers and things on. Here we've got the actual pop-up cards themselves. So you're getting 8 of those. Then you've got your
I think that might
envelopes
be
as well.
12. Is this not a 12 pack?
Is
it
it
cards?
12?
I feel sure it's 12. Yeah,
Yes,
you get
it is.
12.
Wow. And you know another thing that I love? You never get flimsy envelopes. They're always a good quality envelope, which really makes it a fantastic set. So yes, 12 of those to do with whatever you want to do yourself. You can put them through your embossers, your die cuts, all of that.
Yes.
Any other additional papers that you've got,
a few
particular
examples to
colours.
show in a minute.
And this, wow, bumper bouquet set. Now this has actually got 12 magnificent sheets. Look at the colourways on these. And of course you get all of the little sentiments, you get your birds. Absolutely exquisite, beautifully die cut. Look, different colourways, different flowers. So you might have your roses, your peonies. This is beautiful as well. So you've got your poppies, your beautiful tulips. Coming up for Easter, all of your daffodils. Mine are coming up in the garden now. Fantastic. And then you've got your beautiful hydrangeas there. Absolutely exquisite. I love the colourways of that because throughout that whole pack, you've got every colour of the florals that you could wish to have. So they're really, really
four designs,
beautiful.
3 of each. So that pack's got 12 sheets of beautiful floral decoupage. So if you wanted to make your own version of the blooming boxes, then you can buy them.
When you think how far those flowers are going to go, I mean, how many you can get on one sheet? Goodness me,
they certainly
wonderful.
will. They certainly
Absolutely
will.
wonderful.
So you can be creative and do your own thing, and the design team have done that using the...
Yes.
There's the tulips
I
in that.
love
Isn't that lovely?
those. Isn't that beautiful? I often think, if you've got somebody poorly, maybe in hospital, to have that standing there, it doesn't need any looking after. You just need to admire it and get yourself better soon. So that is a fantastic, fantastic set. And again, that'll all fall down and protect those beautiful tulips with your sentiment. I love the way they've used the fresh gingham as well to go on the card. So yes, that's a lovely set. And this one, this could be for a gentleman, a gardener, anything like that. Could be somebody
for
older.
anybody, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, so you can mix and match to whatever it is. I love the way they've used their own cards and then they've die cut the butterflies to go with them. So how clever is that? And I've used the sentiment from the flower stash as well. Another beautiful example. This one's cool, isn't it?
Lovely.
I love that. Now look at this. They've got, those are die cut, and they've actually put the acetate at the back of it. They've used some of the peel-offs, some of the beautiful little butterflies, and a few of the flowers. Now that's going to go an awful long way if you're using it like that, because you're using very, very little.
Yep. This one they've used, I think this paper might have come from the Crafty Kittens.
I love that.
They used a punch to round everything,
yes.
which I think
so again,
is a very
something
nice look.
different. It's a bit like William Morrissey. These type of things are lovely, really nice. And because of the way it ascends, they've been able to use all the flowers, and you're not missing anything. You get the whole idea about it.
This one's had a bit of inking, and it's gone through the embossing folder.
And it's gone through an embossing folder.
Because you can put the full sheet of the, even at the back.
Yeah, you can see on the back.
You can see even on the back there. Really, it's the whole sheet's gone through, hasn't it?
I like it, yes. And they've used a little bit of ribbon to accentuate the bottom. Very, very clever, that red and green. Very nice, I like it.
So we've just got two more little bits of inspiration.
Oh, and look at that.
If you want to
and that's
freestyle.
perfect Mother's Day when we're talking about it. This is a mother's love. And look at the way that they've used little die cut hearts. And then this goes both ways when you look around. Both ways. So they've actually gone, no matter which way you look at that, it's got something of beauty to look at all the time. I love that one. Very nice. With your peelables as well.
And there we are. This is the last.
Oh, it's super cute, isn't it? Especially for you. Now that those sentiments can
Feels
mean
very
for
Valentine's
anyone.
with them colours,
very,
doesn't it?
Yes, very nice. I love that. And again, they've used all of the, inserts, all of the little colourways to go onto their card. So fantastic.
Be creative and use the colours that you.
Or maybe it's your favourite colour that you like it, or your Auntie Mary's favourite colour. So
use the colours that you think it's going to suit your
be
thing.
appropriate, yes.
So it's been a quick run through of things that the design team have made. So thank you very much to our design team. We've got 2 Jills, a Jane and a Debbie. Thank you so much for everything.
Worth their weight in gold to give people like myself inspiration. That's what you need.
And you can join them more in the Facebook group. There's a one for card making specifically called For the Love of Card Making, if you'd like to have a little look in there at any time. They're always posting things that they've made. Each product, when it's on the website, will have its own little how-to video. So I know you've got the instructions. If you need more information, go to the product page. These products are going to be available with all our suppliers internationally as well. So enjoy them and have fun, and thanks Noreen for coming to have a look.
Well, the thing is that it gives people confidence, because when you've got a super product like that, it's been tried and tested by all the design team, they know all the pitfalls, they've sorted them out for you, so you just go and enjoy it. So have fun.
Yeah, we're going to carry on packing up the rest of the samples and get them all put away now. Oh, which reminds us, I must say, we're making these again. You have loved these that
They're
launched a few weeks
cute,
ago.
aren't they?
These are the little bunnies. So we might have a run through some other ideas for them another time. But for now, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed a quick look through the design team things.
Enjoy your crafting. I know you will.
Bye.